Lighting is a key and crucial aspect of generating realistic visuals and can be make or break for an image. Sometimes these subtleties can stick in our minds for wrong reasons, throwing the attention of a viewer into entirely the wrong aspect. In this video, we're going to cover the different lighting options available within SOLIDWORKS Visualize, and how you can use them for your advantage to ensure that your visuals are photorealistic. This video will span options across all the different versions of Visualize: Visualize Standard, Visualize Professional, and Visualize Connected. That being said, we'll take a particular focus on both Visualize Professional and Visualize Connected. These two versions have advanced lighting functions included, with more options and greater control. Let us start by looking into applying lights and appearances, specifically using the appearance type Emissive. These are a separate section within either the local or cloud-based library, as you dragged and dropped on any surface. This emits light evenly, with a simple brightness value controlling the light emitted. A product photography studio is the ability to create complex lighting conditions and setups through a combination of diffuser plate, spotlights, and directional lights. These are easily replicated with the creation of area spot and directional lighting types. With intuitive placement controls of brightness and colour temperature can be easily altered. With the spot and area lights, the geometry can be adjusted, whether it's the cone angle, spot radius, or even the sizing. In no time at all, we can create and configure the most complex photography studio lights with just a few clicks of the mouse. Ever notice downlights in your kitchen or even outside your front door have a specific light pattern emitted from them? This is because light bulbs are not producing an even or uniform lighting effect. We can reproduce this by using the Illuminating Engineering Society, or IES, light profiles. These are data files containing exact light distribution maps generated from real-world measured data. Download these files from light manufacturers' websites, including your projects today, to ensure you have an accurate digital twin for your lights. Ever notice light rays being projected through an environment and lighting up the air? This colloquially is referred to as God rays, or more scientifically, volumetric lighting. This effect is caused by light hitting dust or other small airborne particles, causing the light rays to show up. With its noteworthily clean user interface, Visualize does not contain any dust. However, we can artificially recreate this by adding a transparent subsurface appearance with elemental scattering. This extends the light effect from your lighting source, creating your very own God rays. Ever looked at neon or bright lights and wondered why the light source spills out from the geometry itself? This is a visual effect caused by light refracting from the cornea of your eye. To mimic this effect, we can utilise camera filter of bloom, producing a fake feathering effect. Bloom, in conjunction with volumetric lighting effects, really makes the headlight on this vehicle pop. Some projects need to recreate sunlight conditions from a specific location, specific date, at a specific time. Ideal for AEC or marine industries, we can use the sunlight functionality to enter such parameters to teleport your design anywhere in the world. Though it's sadly not quite as fun as a trip to the Mediterranean Sea for this vessel, it's certainly cheaper and considerably quicker than chartering a vessel and hiring a photographer. And there we have it. I've run through all the lighting options available within SOLIDWORKS Visualize. With lighting being the most crucial aspect for achieving realism in the visual effects industry, the Visualize gives you professional tools needed to recreate the most complex lighting situations. Get the most out of lights with SOLIDWORKS Visualize and take your renders to the next stage of realism. Want to find out more about SOLIDWORKS Visualize? Get in contact with us at Solid Solutions. Thank you for watching.